Assalamu alaikum. Topic of our project is Appetite Corner. I am Sadaf Talha and my other group members are Zarmina Amir and Mariam Imtiaz. See the yummy food which would be available in our Appetite Corner. Introduction. This project basically focuses on the opening of a new cafeteria named as Appetite Corner in UET Taxila. It will provide edibles to the students, faculty and staff members at a very reasonable rate as compared to the existing cafes. New technologies like SMS-based services and online order placement will be introduced, which would definitely help students to efficiently use their time. Instead of standing in their lines or in a rush of students can easily reserve themselves as a member of cafe by providing basic info like their name, father name, address, etc. Project appraisal. It basically consists of market appraisal, technical appraisal, financial appraisal, socioeconomic appraisal, and the ecological appraisal.
Coming across the market appraisal, aggregate demand and share of the proposed product or service. The aggregate demand and share is the major factor in our appetite corner being established at university level. The share is distributed among MFC, tuck shops, and Cafe 1, commonly known as C1 among students. Past and current demand trends. These trends force us to start the business as the university students are always looking for the new varieties of edibles and need of high servicing activities. Production possibilities and constraints. The production is easily continued once the cafe is constructed and workers are hired with efficient management. The possible constraints are, first of all, to attract customers to leave the existing cafes and try our new one. Secondly, meeting the high standards then already provided by competitors. Imports and exports. The project is of local market rank. All the material needed is easily available. Starting from the construction and food material, all items are imported from nearby surroundings of Taxila city. Presently, the focus is just on the students studying here, the teacher, and other staff working. On the basis of future growth, services will be extended in HMC and teachers' colony. Nature of competition comprised of two factors: quality of factor and ease of supply service. First of all, quality of food, which is further subdivided as fresh and hygienic conditions, quantity per demand, and taste quality. Ease of supply service. In the busy schedule of university, the ease of supply is the main factor. The technological aspects would surely attract customers like SMS-based service and online order placement. Elasticity of demand. The food is the basic necessity and its need is not affected by the price as it's not a part of luxury. Providence of healthy food in efficient way is of more importance to customers. Administrative, technical and legal constraints. Whenever considering a project, constraints are always there. In our project, constraints involve the correct database storage of students for providing SMS-based and online order placement services so that no one can fool by ordering and not available to receive. Ethical issues also have to be kept in focus so all customers can avail facilities without any gender differences.
Now we are going to discuss technical appraisal. The first point in technical appraisal is preliminary tests and studies. There was no proper place available at the university to enjoy fresh and hygienic food. Similarly, no technological advancement available to provide ease for the students. The second point was availability of raw materials, power and other inputs. Inputs like water, sui gas and electricity should be made available 24 hours a day for smooth running of our production system. The third point is optimal scale of operation. Simply, supply should be raised according to the demand of our clients. The fourth point is suitable production process. For suitable production process, experienced cooks should be hired. The fifth point is appropriate machines and equipments. Database should be maintained and updated properly, and proper inventory should be used for food packaging and food retailing. The sixth point is realistic work schedules. Realistic work schedules should be made available for the workers so that they can work efficiently. The seventh point is socially acceptable technology. It will be a socially acceptable technology as it will bring ease for the clients and it will be served on the basis of first come, first served criteria. The last point is ensure proper layout of building. Our cafeteria should be constructed away from the departmental premises and it should be bright and airy. This is the map of our university, and this is the location where we have planned to construct our Appetite Corner.
Financial appraisal. Financially viable. Appetite Corner is a financially viable project. Financial assistance is needed for construction of cafe, purchasing furniture, crockery, food items, and this all can be done easily by the loan amount taken. We will start it at a very low scale first, and as the demand increases, supply will be increased accordingly. Next is the project capable of servicing debt? This project is capable of servicing debt for sure. From the profit, 10% will be given to the university, 15% to the banks on monthly basis. Meeting return expectations. There is an urgent need of an efficient cafe in university, so when it will start working, majority students and faculty will prefer to buy edibles from there, and hence it will meet the expectations. The amount spent on construction, furnishing, and crockery will be retrieved along with the profit. Phasing of the total cost. Phasing can be seen through this block diagram. 3 lakhs have been given to construction, 50,000 to furniture, 20,000 to crockery, 30,000 to food items, and 50,000 to the workers, and this all is a rough estimate. Means of financing the project. We will consult our Vice Chancellor and Islamic banks for financing our project. Break-even point. It is basically the point at which the sales revenue and the total expenses become equal. In start, it will be somehow difficult to achieve because of the competitors we have like MFC, Tuck Shop, etc. But after 6 to 7 months, we will be able to reach this point and generate profit. Cash flows in the project. Cash flows can be seen through this diagram. These upward arrows show the cash in, which include loan from bank, university funds, and these downward arrows show the cash out, which basically includes the construction cost, furniture cost, crockery expenses, salary of workers, and the food items. Level of risk. There is a very little risk involved in this project because an efficient cafeteria is an urgent need of this hour, and the two main technologies involved, that are the SMS-based services and online ordering technology, make this cafeteria different from others, and hence a very little risk is involved.
Okay, the next one is socio-economic appraisal. This appraisal considers how our project is affecting the society. Social cost benefit analysis. This project will be beneficial for the society in following ways. It will provide ease of order placing through text messages and online requests. It will save people time as well as the transport expenses. Impact on level of savings and investment in society. Healthy and hygienic food availability will be made sure, thus it will save people from getting ill due to unhygienic and unhealthy foodstuff. Food will be available at reasonable cost with special offers for the members of the cafeteria, like free home delivery or less cost offers on edibles, etc. Impact of project on distribution of income in society. The construction of a technological advanced cafeteria will increase the employment opportunities for the people, as workers will be hired for delivering foodstuffs, serving students, updating the database, making registration for the new members, cooking and baking foodstuff, etc.
The last appraisal we are going to discuss is ecological appraisal. The first point in ecological appraisal is quality of air, water, and vegetation. There should be proper disposing of waste to avoid land and air pollution. The second point is noise factor. Location of cafeteria should be away from the departmental premises in order to avoid noise pollution. The last point in ecological appraisal is likely damage and cost of restoration. Dustbins should be available to avoid pollution, and cleanliness should be maintained.
Our project can be concluded as the Appetite Corner is an emerging cafeteria system based on new technological aspects. It aims on high quality standards and efficient services. The technological aspect of order placement makes it superior from its competitors in the scenario of university life. All the points considered in marketing, financial, technical, socio-economic, and ecological appraisal satisfies the viability of project and production system and estimates for aimed revenue expected. Thank you.